To set talkback to speak the password you type in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Next, scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap advanced setting and then tap the gray on option next to speak password to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, next time you enable talkback in your phone, it will speak the password you type. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.